Welcome back, friends. Now, the beauty of a Steadicam operator is that he allows a shot to be taken just like a handheld shot, except that it comes with the steadiness of a typical dolly shot. Now, it's very important that before you become a Steadicam operator, you need to get your basics right with a regular camera in terms of learning how to pull focus, lighting, so on and so forth. Here, take a closer look.
Steadicam operation involves many physical and creative challenges. Steadicam operators require a good working knowledge of all camera systems and lenses.
I firmly believe that Steadicam is a wonderful career option for cameramen. Now, over the years, I have trained a few people who are doing fairly well. But it's unfortunate that in India, there is no organization which has a regular workshop where students can come, cameramen can and train. Now, one thing I very firmly believe that to become a good Steadicam operator, you got to be a cameraman first. It is specializing. It's like a doctor does his MBBS first and then does his MD. The same thing in the Steadicam, that unless you are a cameraman first, you are at a loss when you become a Steadicam operator, because the whole thing is a sense of framing, of blocking shots and movement and timing, which only comes with experience of being a cameraman.
When I started that time, I was 22 years old. People said he is so young, he can operate Steadicam. But when I given fast shot, after that they said, okay, you can continue with your Steadicam.
Most of our Steadicam operators have graduated from being attendants. The finer points of operation is something they don't know. And that, I think, it's like going to film school. I've always believed that a lot of people believe, why go to film school? The thing is that if you know the theory, it is so easy to break it. If you don't know the theory, how the hell do you break the theory? I believe that what you learn in film school, probably 80% of that is not relevant when you come onto the field to shoot. But then you have that backing of theory. That little bit here and a little bit there makes all the difference.
Although there is no designated career route to become a Steadicam operator, there are a few institutes which provide short-term courses. One can also become an operator after working under the guidance of a specialist and learning the nuances.
You have to be fairly physically fit, and smoking, first of all. I make it very clear that anybody who smokes can't become a Steadicam operator, because you need a tremendous amount of stamina to operate a Steadicam. You need a very strong back and very strong legs. Apart from that, I believe you need to be a basic knowledge of camera has to be there. Either you're a cameraman or been an assistant for a number of years, where you have a sense of lighting, sense of good framing, and whatever goes with being a cameraman, then you become a good Steadicam operator. Good eating, proper sleep, proper rest, and a very strong mental makeup, because it's all, a lot of it is in your mind.
As a Steadicam operator, I am very much happy with my career. When I started, I was nothing. I was struggling basically. But now my stage where I am very much happy. People are giving good respect. I'm earning good money. I'm very much happy with my career.
Steadicam at times becomes a subconscious part of your body. It's like driving. When you're driving a car, you're not really looking at your left fender. Yet the left fender misses the auto rickshaw by 6 inches. You're not even looking there. The same with the Steadicam. When I'm operating, there are times when I'm not even looking at the monitor. I look up, yet I know where the frame is, where it ends. It becomes a subconscious part of you. So the basic training is nothing really. It's a matter of 3 days. You can know what the whole Steadicam is about. Thereafter, it is your dedication, your hard work that goes into becoming a good Steadicam operator.
When I'm not doing anything, at least I watch 2 films in a day, where I can learn something different from world cinema. To put in my shots, always I like to learn something.
If any of you are watching this clip, you're most welcome to get in touch with me anytime. My mobile number will be given somewhere on this film. You can call me anytime, come to me. You need any advice on how to become a Steadicam operator, it will be a great pleasure to give it to you and help you out. You're most welcome to contact me anytime.
Well friends, with that we've come to the end of this episode of Yuva Bharat. In case you have some questions or queries, then log on to our website www.etvYuvabharat.in, or else you can even send us an email at yuvabharat@etv.co.in. And before I leave, a final word of advice is that nothing is a waste of time if you use that experience wisely. Until next time, bye-bye.